homeowners. So what piece of advice, related to home inspections, home maintenance would you give for home buyers and or homeowners?
Even after you wind up owning the house, you should at least have an inspection like you do with a car, a maintenance inspection. An inspector comes in for a reasonable fee, not like a full blown when you're purchasing it, but just to go back through the house to see what's going on with the house because you have to maintain the house. You can't just live in it, which I know some people do, and not do any repairs. They just let things go, or they don't know what's going on. You may have a leak someplace and you don't know it because it's not showing up until after it starts to show itself. You got brown stains on the wall or on the ceiling, and if it keeps going, now it turns into mold. So these are the things that you need to know. Make sure your shutoff valves aren't leaking. What needs to be changed. I know in Prince George County and in Charles County now, they put what they call a backflow preventer in, which is part of the fire sprinkler system in the house. That backflow needs to be changed every 5 years. And if it's not changed, you may get away with 6, 7 years. What happens is that backflow preventer stops the water that's in the sprinkler pipe from coming back. That water in that pipe you don't use. God forbid you use it because now the sprinklers in the house are running. You may have had a fire. That water is tainted, is nasty, is dirty, and it also has bacteria in it. So you don't want that bacteria flowing back into the house water. You may be drinking that water, you're taking showers in that water or bathing in that water. You don't want that bacteria in your house water. So that's something. That's an inspection. People forget that thing, the backflow needs to be, changed out every 5 years. I make that known when I do an inspection, and some new construction, they put tags on it when it was installed and when it needs to be changed. So things like that. So having a once a year inspection is it's good.